Hey everyone, and welcome to the first video. Let's begin our product management crash course by defining what product management is and what steps or stages it includes. Product management is the process of overseeing the ideation, creation, launch, and continuous improvement of a product. Since our course is dedicated to software engineers, we will focus on digital or software-enabled products or services. While the specifics of the product management process may vary between organizations and industries, a typical modern product management process includes two tracks: discovery and development. So we begin working on a product by discovering what to build. This includes answering the following questions. What problem are we solving and for whom? What solution will solve the problem? How do we measure success? The main focus of the discovery work is on validating our riskiest assumptions and collecting fast learning about problem and solutions. At this stage, we are not yet focusing on building working software that we can offer our customers and charge money for. Many ideas will be killed or modified at the discovery stage and may never make it to the development phase. However, those ideas that have successfully passed the validation process will be moved to the second track, development work. The picture illustrates how we can visualize the two tracks together. So far, I have mentioned we many times. Here, I refer to members of the product core team that consists of those who work directly on the product: product managers, product designers, and software engineers. A product manager is one of your major counterparts in the product development process. They are concerned with what we build and why we are building it. They drive and oversee the product management process, and if you are already part of a product-led organization, you most likely work with the product manager daily. In the next video of the course, we will speak in detail about what the product manager role implies. For now, let's return to the dual-track development process. When you look at this picture, you may start thinking that the dual-track concept suggests two types of work for different product team members. First, product managers and designers define why and what to build, and engineers must wait for them to finish the work to proceed with solution implementation. Well, that's not the best practice. Instead, you should consider the discovery and development tracks as part of the same process. Product managers, designers, and engineering leaders drive the discovery process, and if possible, they should also include other product team members in the discovery tasks. Regardless of how the process is organized in your company, the biggest chunk of work that you do as a software engineer belongs to the second track, development work. If you are using agile methods for iterative project management like Scrum, this work involves incremental and frequent delivery of small chunks of a project through a cross-functional self-organizing product team. Our course assumes that as an active member of the development process, you know this part inside out, so we won't be covering it in detail further down the course. What we will be covering, though, is the product discovery process, as it's one of the major parts of the product management process. We will talk about things such as how to find the right problem to solve, how to validate if the problem exists or a sign of a bigger problem, as well as how to do solution validation. This includes exploring potential solutions, receiving feedback, and iterating on the solutions with the ultimate goal of deciding on the one that will be moved to the implementation stage. Now, coming back to the definition of the product management process, our understanding of the steps of the process won't be complete unless we cover several other stages that precede product discovery and start right after the development work is done. So, before we start discovering product opportunities, we want to understand the final destination we plan to reach with the product, in other words, the product vision. We also need to know the main milestones that would bring us to the future described in the vision, so we must understand our product strategy. Finally, we need to have a strategic product roadmap that tells a story of a company's priorities and product development with respect to business goals. Often, opportunity discovery and validation overlap with working on a strategy and roadmap. If we are about to explore big strategic product initiatives, such as entering a new industry or creating a brand new product for the existing market or entering a new market. Now let's look back at the development track. The product management process doesn't stop after the product is built and tested because it includes steps for launching the product to the market and improving the product further, meaning that we go back to the strategic product roadmap and decide on what's the next problem we are going to validate and solve for our users and the company. As you can see, we have quite a lot of topics to cover, and by the end of the course, you will have a very good understanding of each of the steps in the product management process. And for now, let's recap this lecture. Product management involves overseeing product ideation, creation, launch, and continuous improvement. The process typically consists of two major tracks: discovery and development. Discovery work involves validating assumptions and collecting information about problems and solutions. Many ideas are evaluated at the discovery stage, and successful ones move to the development phase. Product managers drive the product management process, focusing on what and why to build. They work hand in hand with the product core team, which includes product managers, designers, and software engineers. Apart from product discovery and development, there are other stages that are part of the product management process. These include defining product vision, strategy, and strategic roadmap, as well as product launch and ongoing improvement. Let's go to the next lecture to speak more about the role of a product manager in the product management process. I'll see you there.